Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a very fun makeup challenge. I decided to do this challenge with my girl Makeup by Shars, so this video is going to be like a collab. Today we wanted to do a everyday makeup look, but instead of doing it the regular way, we're going to do it with our non-dominant hand, and my non-dominant hand is my left hand because I'm right-handed. I'm not really scared because I've done challenges without my brushes and whatever stuff like that, and I don't think it's very hard. But using my non-dominant hand may be a bit of a challenge. So if I'm able to do my own nails both with and without acrylic, then I think I should be able to have this down pat. I don't think this should be that hard because right now I've done an acrylic job on my nails by myself. So I think this is supposed to be easy breezy. So I'm just gonna get started. And of course you guys know I always start with my brows first. So yeah, let me get a mirror to see what I'm doing. I'm just gonna use this as a hand mirror here. Alright guys, so go ahead and check out Shars' video. I'm gonna have hers linked in the description bar below. It's gonna be the first link in the description, so check it out and tell me what you guys think about her video as well. So this is just supposed to be fun, guys. We're just trying to have some fun with makeup right now, and those are her words, fun with makeup. Alright, so I'm gonna start with my brows first. I'm just trying to find my spoolie. Oh shoot, I should be using my left hand. Oh my god, this is awkward. Okay, alright, hold on. Shit, this feels so weird, guys, but let's work with it. I'm brushing my brows out, and then I'm going to fill them in. I'm going to list all the products in the description bar. Yeah, this is gonna be an everyday makeup look, so of course I'm not going to be doing it too beat or, you know, over the top or anything like that. Just something very simple. Fill them in. This isn't really hard. This okay, this might be a challenge. No, over that side here. Oh my god. Guys, yo, I don't think both my brows are going to look the same right now. Whatever. This is supposed to be fun. So right about now, I wonder what this is going to look like when it's done. I'm going to laugh after myself right now because this be looking crazy. And this side is not that bad, but this side, shoot. Feel retarded. Thank God my brows don't really need a lot of filling in, because then that would have been a problem. So yeah. Alright, so concealer now. I'm trying not to overdo everything because I think with this situation right now, the less is the best. Because if I try to do this over the top, I will literally mess this up. Oh my god. Am I cheating by doing this? I don't know. I'm just trying to get the product on the brush. This is gonna be a disaster. Jesus. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I got anything on there. Let me just use the concealer straight from the package. Oh darn, it's hard keeping a steady hand with this thing. Alright. Disaster. Alright, I'm gonna blend it out. I don't think I can do any better, so I'm just gonna blend it out now. Because if I try to make this perfect, we will be here all day. I can't switch hands. This is so uncomfortable. Oh my god. I think I did okay with the brows. I think they look alright. Awesome. Alright, so I'm going to put some of the concealer on my lids because you guys know it's an everyday look. I have to squeeze out some more of this. Oh, that's a lot of concealer. That was not supposed to happen. Alright, so I'm going to put, of course, pressed powder into my crease. Earth Glow as usual. You guys know. Oh my god. How do you... Okay, yeah. Guys, this feels so awkward. My hand feels so heavy, yo. Oh my god. Alright. I want more. Yeah. I feel like I'm not the one holding my hand. It feels weird. Alright. So on my lid I'm going to use a powder as well because it's an everyday look. I'm not going over the top with anything. So I'm using my Profusin Bare palette. And I'm just going to take... Alright, you know what? Let's just use the gold color from that palette. Oh god. Alright. I'm putting that on my lid. Alright. I wasn't going to use another shadow, but I'm just going to try to make the smoke a bit darker with the brown from the palette. This is so awkward. Yep. Blending it out. I'm putting the white from that palette onto my brow bone. I think it's cool that I can use this one palette to do the entire look to make my life easier right now instead of switching shadows. Yeah. Alright, eyeliner. Oh my god. Alright, so mascara now. I think I'm going to mess up this part. I need a mirror. So I think this is perfect because I won't be doing any lashes. Just because it's an everyday look and I don't wear lashes every day. Uh-oh, see? I messed up. It's not that bad though. Mascara done. And it's not looking that bad, guys. I'm satisfied at this point. So foundation. Jesus. So today, guys, I'm opting for a cream foundation. I don't know why, but I'm using my black Opal perfecting powder. Oh shit, left hand. Oh guys, this is so hard. In beautiful bronze. Not bad, not bad. Guys, I bet I look so weird right now, yo. But it's okay. The job is being done, so it don't really matter how weird I look right now. I haven't used this foundation in a long time. I think it's working out great, so I hope my foundation doesn't look blotchy because I can't evenly distribute it. Yo, the brush, like, oh god, I can't move the thing around the way I want to move it around. What is happening? I really hope this doesn't look like crap on camera, guys. I'm having the hardest time right now. Can't get under my neck. Oh. Guys, I can tell the struggle real right now. The struggle is so real right now. So damn real right now. Oh, I cheated, sorry. Guys, my hand hurts. Like, it's just like my left hand is not used to being used this much. So it is a bit difficult. Alright, so I'm setting my highlighted areas with the Deluxe finishing powder. Alright. I'm gonna set my face with my Prisma Press powder. I haven't used this in a minute, so I'm going to Alright, so everything is set now. So contour. So I'm gonna contour with my FOF concealer stick. This thing right here. Alright. I'm gonna set it with a bit of the powder that I put in my crease as well. Guys, this look is so simple. You can probably achieve this in like 5 minutes. I feel so retarded. But I'm almost done, so no worries. Yeah, so lips now. I'm using this MK brown liner. This is gonna be a problem right now. Alright, let me get my mirror because I'm outlining on it. And then some lip gloss. This one is by Blackout Cosmetics. And my bronzer now, and then I'm done because on a daily I don't use blush or anything like that. So after my bronzer, then we are complete. I'm using Bronze Glow by LA Colors, my favorite everyday bronzer. Yeah. How am I gonna do the next side? I hope I'm putting it on right. I can't even see, but whatever. Alright, so guys, I think I'm done. Let me close this up. Let me see a mirror right quick, cause oh my god, I didn't blend the concealer on my nose. Shit. Hold on. I'm gonna have to use a smaller blending brush to do that. I'll just use this one by LA Colors. Oh my god, guys, you see me? I walk around with concealer on the side of my nose though. Alright. Good thing is this concealer stick blends out very easy, so I don't really have to worry about it. yeah, I think I did pretty good. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Let me get my hair done. I know it's not a hair video, so I didn't spend forever straightening my hair. I just kind of lightly straightened it, just so that it wouldn't look trashy or whatever. But yeah guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If I keep looking that way, it's because there's a mirror there. You guys are probably wondering, in every video I keep looking that way. That's because I put a mirror there. The details on my hair will be in the description bar as well. I already made a video on this unit. This is the OMG Queen Brazilian Deep Wave. I do have a discount code, so please check the description bar below. It's awesome. I've had it for almost a year now, and I'm planning to color it, so I just thought I would just rock it a little bit before I change the style of the wig. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy it, of course, as usual, thumbs up the video, and also hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to Shars. I'm gonna have her link, the first link, in the description bar, so please go check out her video as well to see how she did her makeup using her non-dominant hand. And yeah, this was fun. It wasn't hard, to be honest. It wasn't as hard as I thought it would be, because as I said, I'm used to using both my hands. So if you have any requests of videos that you want me to make, you can leave that in the comment section as well, and I'll look at them and see what I can make for you guys. Yeah, because I want to know what you guys want to see from me. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay naturally beautiful. Bye.